1996 under the administration of when he was the chairman of the Lagos chapter. And when he also became the national president, he moved it also to a national program. It's been run for a while. But we had a small break, and the members now asked that the Lagos chapter should apply to the national body to run it, to take it back. So we took it back, and we were given an approval, and we took it back. Now, the essence of that is also to key into the mandates of Federal University of Technologies or University of Technologies. So this is also our own part to create and also drive conversation around Nigerian quest for the development in technological fast tracking. So we have created topics. We have topics. In fact, the first topic was on energy. The first one was Professor Barton actually, chaired by the late Dora Akimili. And every 2 years we begin to create. But the difference between this, the one this year, is that we are going to come out with a communique which we will share to the world, and we also run it through the university and also run it through relevant agencies of government and begin to